Hello everyone, this is Darren from NEXpool. Today I'll be showing you how you can create a pool on the NEXpool platform, as well as how you can contribute to a pool. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Robston testnet. To begin creating a pool, click on Create a Pool. There will be a pop-up which will prompt you to enter your public Ethereum wallet address. Next, enter the Ethereum address which you plan to create the pool with. It should be the same as the address that you have just entered. For the destination address, you can enter the ICO token address if you know it at a point in time when you are creating the pool. The ICO token address will be locked into the smart contract when you are creating the pool, enhancing the security of the pool. Otherwise, the ICO token address can be entered later on when you're ready to send in the contributions to the ICO. I will just set a pool target of 100, which is the maximum amount of Ether the pool will allow. Any contributions beyond this amount will be rejected. I will enter 10 for maximum contribution and 1 for minimum contribution. This means that each contributor must contribute a minimum of 1 Ether up to a maximum of 10 Ether. As for now, all pools on our platform are automatically distributed. Self-withdrawal by contributors themselves are still under development. Under host fee, you can charge a percentage-based fee to the contributors of the pool. We will just leave it as 0 here. Next, click Generate Code. Next up, we'll be entering details for the pool. You can either set the pool to be private or public. Public pools will be reflected on our homepage, and anyone can contribute to it. For private pools, only those with the pool's address can contribute. Okay, let's just fill this up. You can include the link to your Telegram group here as well. Now, we are ready to deploy the pool. You can either copy these transaction data onto my Ether wallet or my crypto, or you can just use MetaMask. So for this case, we'll be using MetaMask. Once you sign off the transaction and the transaction is confirmed, this message will appear. And you can take down this link here and share with your potential contributors. After which, you can click on Go to My Profile to proceed to your dashboard. This is the dashboard where you can manage your pool. As a pool master, you can contribute to the pool, withdraw your contributions, release the contributions to the ICO, and cancel the pool. So let's try contributing the pool. I'll be contributing 1 Ether to the pool. Again, we'll be contributing using MetaMask. Sign off the transaction, and once the transaction is confirmed, this message will appear. Head back to the dashboard, and you can verify the amount of Ether you have contributed. Once all the contributions have been collected and you're ready to send in the tokens, click the Release Contribution button. Once again, we'll be using MetaMask. Sign off the transaction, and the contributions will be sent to the token address of the ICO. Once the transaction is completed, this message will appear, and you can head back to your dashboard. Once the token is received and is unlocked, you can now proceed to distribute the tokens to the contributors. Click on the Confirm and Distribute button, enter the token smart contract address. Once again, using MetaMask, sign off the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, this message will appear. Proceed to check your token balance and you'll realize that the tokens will be in your wallet. And that is how you can create and manage a pool on NEXpool. Till next time.